Hey everybody, welcome back for another car wash review. Today I am in a little town called Beamsville, Ontario. I don't believe I've done this wash before, and if I did, it would have been a long time ago, but I don't think I have. Anyways, this is on, I believe, Ontario Street, just off the QEW. I'm at an Esso gas station, and I just know that this is a touchless car wash. Yeah, they're advertising touchless anyways. Here's the Esso station, and the highway is like right there. There's a Pioneer across the street, but they don't have a car wash there. But anyway, so I'm driving the big cargo van again today, and I know it's been quite a while. It's probably been about a month since I've last uploaded, and the good news is I haven't gotten a car wash since then. So I know I was doing, it seemed like I was doing some soft cloth washes the last few, and they weren't getting the van completely clean. And a few of you were saying I need to go to a touchless wash because that would get it clean. So we will see, because the van is much dirtier than before, because it's been so long. So we'll see how well it does. I don't even know what system this is, so let's get out and have a look. So yeah, you can see the dirt and everything. It's mainly the bottom half. Very dirty. I have to excuse the wind noise, it's windy. But yeah, we'll see how it does. There we go. It was, I got gas, and with a gas purchase, the wash was $12.99 plus tax. And they gave me a code 00161. That's easy enough. Let's see how it does. Oh, it's a tight turn. Here we go. 00161. Ooh, Laser Wash M5. Well, there's an underbody spray. Oof. And something was rubbing the roof. Alright, saying to stop. Well, it's a pretty light coating. We'll see if it does a second pass or not. Definitely couldn't hurt. And it is. That's a bit better. Max air dryers. What the heck is this? The sign's not working, letting me know what's being applied. That's out completely. I thought this would be tri-foam. I don't know what this is. It almost looks like it's like a surface protectant or something, the way it's coming out. Now we're okay. Now we're getting tri-foam. For a minute, I thought we weren't even going to get it. Well, instead of tri-foam, I'd say blue foam. I don't know what that was in between the pre-soak and the, like, what is that? Here we go again. What is this? What is that? It's not a rinse. It's the same thing that it did after the pre-soak. Now the pressure is getting greater. That on that. What is going on here? Oh man! I think that was supposed to be the high pressure rinse. This is a nightmare. Oh, now the sign's working. It's saying surface protectant, air drying. Oh man. Yeah, I'm getting surface protectant right now. Yeah, right. Holy jeez. The dryers even suck. What's the point? This is going to be hilarious. This is going to be hilarious. There's no way we're going to have good results on this. No way. Of course not. The van's just as dirty. It didn't do anything. Nothing. Nothing. Look. Oh, wow. All right. Okay. All right, this is just actually hilarious. Man, do I have stuff to say about this. All right. So, right off the bat, first thing that comes to my mind, I got to give a shout out to the car wash fanatic, because I say a long time ago, it's probably could be a couple of years ago, I don't know, it was quite a while back, he had asked me what the worst car wash I've ever been to. Which one was it? Well, guess what? This one. This is by far, in all the years of me doing these videos and my entire life going to car washes, this is the worst car wash by far. There's not even a close second place. This wash sucks, and I do not recommend it at all. Do not come to this car wash. And then people say, oh, you should go in there and complain and get your money back and get out. I don't care about that. I could care less about the money part of it. And what are they going to do? Give me a ticket to go get a rewash? What's the point? It's just I'm wasting my time. My time is worth more than what this car wash costs. So I'd rather just expose them this way for what it is. They need to do some big time maintenance on this car wash. That stupid little spray in between the pre-soak and the tri-foam, and then after the tri-foam, that was supposed to be a high pressure rinse. I was like, what is this applying? Because it came out the same way as like a surface protectant, where it wasn't just clear water either. It looked like there was some type of chemical or substance to it. And the spray wasn't powerful at all. The worst. I gotta use my wipers here. There's gonna have so many spots all over my window I won't be able to see out of it. This is a disaster. So yeah, do not come to this wash unless by some miracle they do some maintenance to it. Like, that's just craziness. They should just close it. They should absolutely just close this down. But anyways, sorry for the rant. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this one of the worst washes you've ever seen as far as like performance and how horrible it did? Because my van is just as dirty. So I guess I can't give this can't give you guys a fair comment as far as using the touchless to get this thing clean, because this wasn't a fair touchless experience. So I'll do a touchless on the next one, and we'll see how it does. So today's Thursday. I'll probably upload this either tomorrow or Saturday. And then I actually have a car wash ticket for another car wash that I haven't used yet. I bought it because it was raining outside, so I'll go and do that one. And so whatever day I upload this, if it's Friday or Saturday, I'll upload the next one the very next day. So you get 2 days in a row, and we'll see if I can somehow get this van clean. All right, well, thanks a lot, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this one. I just found it funny. But in all seriousness, don't come to this wash. All right, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.